Hey guys, today is episode 7 here, and today we're reacting to When Things Go Bump in the Night by Ebony Rumbles. And sorry, my thing crashed, so I have to make another one. Alright, so like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. That's exactly what you should do. Yeah, so Foxy's family. And then go bump in the night, and it's Halloween today. That's cool right there.
Ever since then, witnesses have said that they've heard thumping noises almost every night. Well, kids, that's the end of the story.
That wasn't really scary.
Yeah, they got a color change.
Yeah, I hope nothing will happen.
Don't worry, kids. It's just a story. Now, time for bed.
Aww.
Kids, you have to be well rested for tomorrow night if you guys want to go trick-or-treating with Jenny.
Okay.
Okay.
Daddy, what if we actually do hear the bumping noises at night?
Don't worry, honey. It's just a story. Now, I want you three to go to sleep. Tomorrow you have a big night.
Yeah, they do. Is it?
Don't do that.
Hey, Todd.
Sorry, Dad.
Yeah. Hold on. So yeah, they got color change. So, I forget who's who. I think that Todd's the orange,
Did you guys hear that? Yeah.
and then there's like a reddish pink
Mary?
kind of color for.
That wasn't us, Foxina. There it is again. I'm getting scared, you guys.
Yeah, Foxina's has like a
It's
pinkish.
okay, Jenny. We heard it too. I'll go check what it is.
Oh wait, they heard it too.
The sound that Dad was talking about in the story. I hope it isn't. Don't worry, kids. Daddy's checking to see what it is.
Well, it sounded like it came from the bathroom, but I didn't see anything there. I think we should just go back to sleep.
Daddy, I think it was that bump you were talking about in the story.
Don't worry, Foxina. It was probably just the air conditioning running or something.
What?
Now go back to sleep, okay?
Okay, Daddy.
How is that possible?
You ready to go trick-or-treating? Yeah.
Oh,
With
Foxina.
too much candy. Okay? Okay, Mommy.
Foxina's also. Okay. I don't know.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, the
I
thumping
think
noise.
Fang is that Spider-Man, and Todd
I think it's
is
check there.
Darth Vader.
Honey, you better come down and look at this.
Hey, Mom. Trick or treat. Hey, this is our house. Hi, kids. Guess what? We found what was making the thumping noises. And we really think you're gonna love it. A mommy cat and her babies.
Oh,
Keep the mommies, please. We'll feed them and pet them and do everything with them. Well, we can't keep all of them. But maybe we keep one of the babies and the mommy cat. And give the other kittens up for adoption. But which kitten are we gonna pick, Mommy? Why don't you guys decide?
oh, the orange one.
Orange one.
Yeah, I knew it.
That's a wonderful choice.
Yeah, because it looks just like all of them. So it's got like a reddish tint to them, like all of them.
Patty the Cool Cat. Or just simply Catty with a K. Great idea, Mom. Yeah, awesome.
All right then, Toby and Caddy it is.
Aww, cute. Happy Halloween. Subscribe and watch more videos. Oh yeah. That was actually a great video. Maybe I might make another one maybe later today. I might make a reaction video to It's Me by Enchanter Mob. So yeah. Maybe I can do that. So stay tuned and yeah. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Comment down below what you want me to react to next time, okay? See you later. Bye.